Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to see Python for data science. This is the last assignment of Python for data science because it's a 4-week course as you already know. So which of the following are the regression problems? Assume that appropriate data is given. Correct answer will be option A, option C and option D. Option A, predicting the house price, predicting the maximum temperature on a given day, and predicting the sales of the ice cream. Predicting whether it is rain or not on a given day, it is a categorical type of problem, not regression. So correct answer will be option A, option C and option D. Question 9th. Which of the following are multi-class classification problems? Question option B and option D. Classifying a person's blood type as A, B, AB or O, and classifying a movie genre into the drama, comedy, action or thriller. Question 3rd. If a linear regression model achieves zero training error, then we can say that all data given points lies on the straight line feature space. Option A, true. Question 4th. Correct answer will be option D, that is linear regression. Question 5th. Correct answer will be option D, that is none of the above. Question 6th. Correct answer will be option A, that is 60 to 79. Question 7th. How many categorical variables processed before model building? Answer option B, dummy variables. Question 8th. Correct answer will be option B, that is 45 units. Question 9th. Correct answer will be option B. The relationship between two variables is purely casual. Is purely casual. Question 10th. Correct answer will be option B, that is 0.50. Thank you guys. We have completed all 10 questions of this assignment and also all assignments of this course. Thank you guys. Now we can submit.